Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien speaking on Tuesday, May 21st. Me and Bubba are here. Bubba's waiting for his Blue Jay as usual. And we wanted to do a video today. Well, there's a few videos we have to do. One on policing, but we'll wait for that one because that one is serious. But this one here, we'll call it Justice versus the Law. And you Americans seem like have no comprehension of the two words, justice or the law. Because either one, you try to circumnavigate. um, and this is what we're going to do the video today on. Okay, the law is a group of items that are passed by people, i.e., judges or legislators, who think they know what to do. Justice, on the other hand, is you people who have a mob mentality and think that that is justice. There's a difference between the two, and they're both not 100% right either. The law, say you got this lady that is a typical white American lady driving a very expensive car, okay? Say like a Mercedes. Let's try that. And you're here in Atlanta, Georgia, say Marietta, and you blow a stop sign. Okay. So the local constabulary, or Marietta police, which are a joke anyway, but well, that's a different story. They decide to put the red light on, or the blue lights, as they call them down here. And, they don't put the siren on and go after her. Anyway, it takes them about a couple blocks before she actually stops. And immediately there is a confrontation. Because usually what you should do is when an officer goes down there, he should say, good evening, sir or madam, who's ever driving. Can I see your license and registration? But in this case, the police officer goes in there, do you know what I stopped you for? That's the way they do it. No, sir, what kind of. And then it gets to that, and I have my rights, and you can't do this. And, well, then it goes to where he pulls her out of the car. That is an example of bad policing. Same with your laws. Say you got a guy that's been committed a crime, murder, here in Georgia. Okay. He is a guy, well, let's do the usual African American, which is who they pick on. Or Latin. Well, let's use Latin. Latin's better. So, okay, he's from El Salvador. Illegal alien. So you go into, the constabularies here from Marietta, pick him up. They do their usual, what they call, investigation. But remember, he's an illegal alien who happens to be in the vicinity. There's no DNA available because whoever did it was good. You got a lady, white lady, say related to the sessions here in Marietta, high profile. So the mayor of Marietta is getting heat from the governor, who's got, like, this guy, the lady had friends, and they want this case gone ASAP. So you get the local dum-dum, otherwise known as defense attorney, on the legal aid, who basically probably had an F in school and just barely passed the law exam. Those are the guys that you put on here. And I'll get to the other guys on the other things like the parole officers and other on the later videos. But those are the guys you put in jobs like this. They're not paid peanuts, and they give them a whole bunch of cases. In this case, say this guy's got 70 cases, and the district attorney himself is going to prosecute this illegal alien. So he does. Trial takes a day and a half, and he's convicted of life imprisonment without the possibility of parole. He just barely missed the death penalty by a vote or so. So, hence, he goes there. And by the way, they don't have the fact that parole him to El Salvador. No, they don't do that. Anyway, or deport him, I mean. So, 2.5 decades, 25 years have passed. And over in Kentucky, say Frankfort, they had another lady with the same MO. But this time, they had law students from the University of Kentucky, say, or Louisville, either one, doesn't matter. And they started investigating the case, and they opened up to, hey, there's more cases in Georgia, there's cases in Tennessee for the last 25 years, and there's been like 13 murders. Same type MO, same type. And it happens to be the mailman that did it. And every time he transferred from mail routes to any of the other states, he started killing. So you see, Americans, this is a case of the law, which operates under a different system than justice. Was there justice for that illegal alien? Was he an illegal alien? Yeah, but that's all he's guilty of. Should he have spent 25 years in prison? No, he should have been thrown back to El Salvador. This is what I'm saying. As a legal resident alien here, and an illegal alien from another planet, your laws suck. Because you don't even know how to handle them, or what to apply to them, or the people who get hurt by them. You don't even know what policing is, or justice, or how to apply justice. How to correct the wrong? You don't look at that. You throw the books away and look the other way and see what else you can get. And it's, who do we pay off to get this case to go away? That's what you do. So this is the American alien here, your favorite alien, signing off saying, what kind of system is this? See you later.